Now it is question number 3. We have ax. Firstly we open the bracket, then ax from firstly we change this equation in this form: a1x plus b1y plus c1, where a1 is the coefficient of x. Then ax plus ay plus bx minus by minus, shift this term to LHS, equal 0. Now ax plus bx, x common, then we have a plus b x, and from ay minus by, y common, a minus b, minus a square minus ab plus b square equal 0, and it is our equation number 1. Let it is second. From second equation we have ax plus ay minus bx plus by, shift this term to LHS, minus a square plus ab plus b square equal 0. Then ax plus ay minus bx plus by. Ax minus bx, we have a minus b x. Ay plus by, y common, we have a plus b y minus a square plus ab plus b square equal 0. Now it is equation number 4. Put equation number 3rd here: a plus bx plus a minus by minus a square minus ab plus b square equal 0. Now it is in the form a1x plus b1y, where a1 in a minus b, b1 is a plus b, and c1 is this term. And second equation is in the form a2x plus b2y plus c2. Now we can write x by coefficient of y, means a plus b, a minus b, and this term minus a square plus ab plus b square minus a square minus ab plus b square, y by, repeat this term, means minus a square plus ab plus b square minus a square minus ab plus b square, and third step a plus b to a minus b, coefficient of x, and a plus b, 1 by a minus b, a plus b, and coefficient of y, which is a plus b, a plus b. Here we put the coefficient of x, means y upon, then hide this term, and coefficient of x. X by, multiply it, we have minus a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and this term minus a minus b into this term, and on multiplying this term we have minus sign, then minus minus plus a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, y by a plus b into a square plus ab plus b square minus, and on multiplying this term a minus b to a square minus ab plus b square minus, then minus into minus, minus into minus, plus we have a minus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now 1 by a minus b into a minus b, then a minus b to the power 2. Similarly, a plus b into a plus b whole square of a plus b. Now x by a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, which is formula of a cube plus b cube, plus a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, which is formula for a cube minus b cube. Now y upon, we have a plus b into a square, then open the bracket, minus a cube a square b minus ab square minus ba square minus ab square minus b cube minus a cube minus a square b minus ab square ba square b square a and b cube, plus a to the power 3 means a cube minus a square b plus ab square minus ba square plus ab square minus b cube, means a cube minus a square b, ab square minus ba square minus b square a, minus into minus plus minus b cube, and 1 by a square plus b square minus 2ab minus a square plus b square minus 2ab, sorry, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus a square minus b square plus 2ab, because on opening this term it is multiplied by minus 1. We have cancel out this term, minus a square b minus a square b minus ab square minus ab square plus ab square minus a square b minus a square b minus a square b ab square cancel, a cube cancel, minus a cube plus a cube, no, x by, open the bracket, we have minus a cube minus b cube plus a cube minus b cube, means minus a cube minus b cube plus a cube minus b cube, then a cube cancel out, y by minus a square b minus a square b minus a square b minus a square b means minus 4 a square b minus b cube minus b cube means minus 2b cube. As 2b cube. 1 by it is minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus plus 2ab, on multiplying it by minus 1 we have minus 2ab, then minus 4ab. Now x by minus 2b cube y by 2b common means minus 2b common, we have 2a square plus b square and 1 by minus 4ab. Then we have x by minus 2b cube equal 1 by minus 4ab, then x equal minus 2b cube by minus 4ab, then value of x is equal b square by 2a, y by minus 2b 2a square plus b square, 1 by minus 4ab, then y equal minus 2b 2a square plus b square by minus 4ab, then y equal 2a square plus b square by 2a, and it is answer.